jump means to me empowerment. It lets me know that the 82nd Airborne Division, center of the universe, sees me and hears me. They know that I can and I will get it done.
We are an all-female air crew. We are uploading 82nd Airborne all-female jumpers out of Pope, and then we're going to go over Holland DZ, drop them. So the fact that it is an all-female air crew, both in both jets, and then it's all-female jumpers is a huge deal, because all of these women have gone through so many hurdles in order to be in their position, be qualified, and be the tactical air women that they are. And so the fact that we can celebrate our ability to do this as an all-female crew and all-female jumpers is incredible to me. So I just feel very honored that I get to be part of this two-ship and a part of female power as a whole for the Air Force.
What this jump means to me is that females are finally being recognized for all that they can do. And as a female paratrooper, I just feel honored and blessed to stand by my fellow female paratroopers and be able to complete this mission today and jump out of this bird.